Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Steam for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 1, the introduction. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for vascular business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Apps, scroll to Explore all the applications. Now let's search for Microsoft Steam. And this application will allow us to share videos of classes, meetings, presentations, and training sessions. Let's now click on this. And so we will be recording videos, uploading videos, watching videos on Microsoft Steam. So this is the YouTube of Office 365. We can also share videos within the organization, outside the organization if we ever require to. We can look at the videos that have been uploaded, recently opened, shared, favorites, more to come in the near future as part of these tutorials within the playlist for Microsoft Steam. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.